Hey Jace, are you going to brush your teeth? Put him real quick. You go say bye to Daddy. Gotta get your toothbrush. Oh, you had to put it away first. Now you get it. What do? Turn the water on. Water. That's right. And put it in your toothbrush. And turn it off. Now what do? Do you get the toothpaste? And put it on your toothbrush. Good job. Close the lid. And look in the mirror.
Okay.
All done okay? Oh, you're pretending to spit? Yeah, I've never seen him do that before. There's the water. Okay. Are you all done, toothbrush? Brush? You want more brush?